we're planning on going to farmers market. Yeah, but like we've never had street food before. Would it be safe for us to eat, or is it? Is it safe to eat there, or for foreigners? Yeah. Sorry. Dampa.
What is it?
Restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Seafoods.
Okay. Gutom talaga ako. Sige, doon na lang tayo. So, dampa. Saan po yung dampa?
Marunong ko na magtagalog.
Tagalog yan eh!
Oo nga po.
Hey sir, mag-order.
Bisaya yan siya! Bisaya!
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome po dito sa Farmers Market. Kasama ko ako si Bea. Yes, siya nga si Bale. Subscribe kayo dun sa channel niya. Ngayong araw po mag-English only prank tayo. Okay, so kunwari hindi kami marunong mag-Tagalog or Bisaya, pa-English muna tayo. Okay? Yan! Ready na, Bailey? Handa ka na? Marunong ka talaga mag-Tagalog.
Ay, slide.
Slide ka dyan. Alright, tara na. H&M? You know what H&M is?
One floor down, level 1.
Level 1.
Sir.
Okay.
One floor down. You can see the escalator over there.
So go down the escalator and then
go down one floor.
And then go down one floor.
Yes, sir.
And then what? Is
You
it
will
just
see
there or?
No, located at the left side of the escalator.
Oh, let's start the escalator is H&M.
Yes, sir.
Diba sabi ko sa'yo eh, dun lang. Sa baba, diba? Kanina pa. Kanina ka pa. Grabe to. Ito kasi makulit eh. Sabi niya nasa taas.
Wala kang sabi, oh.
Nag-resign na siya. Hey, excuse me guys. We're looking for Farmers Plaza. Can you help us out?
Farmers Plaza?
Farmers. Yeah,
Farmers Plaza?
Yeah. Where is it?
Okay, you go down there at the ground floor, then you will cross the street.
Yeah.
Then there's a mall in there.
Isang baba lang doon. Isang baba.
Isang baba. Okay, you go. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I don't speak your language. Yes. Oh my God, this is a challenge. Okay. You go down here.
Okay. Yeah.
Then for ano, you.
Kahit Tagalogin mo na lang, marunong din mo yung Tagalog. It's okay.
Tagalog lang.
Ganito kasi yan. Parang gusto mo
Ganito kasi yan, ano? Basta baba kami, tapos...
Bago kayo, kunin lang kaso ang gulo niya magbigay.
Tara, sama tayo.
Punta rin po kami doon. Tara!
Ay talaga? Ay sige, tara na.
Parang na-test bigla yung... Iba pala yung mag-insane.
Buti na lang hindi ka nag-absent sa English class, di ba? Ayan. Tsaka ano po, kaway kayo sa camera. Oh, camera to, ayan.
Ma! Sorry na! Absent ako sa English class.
Salmon. 600 per kilo salmon.
Did you catch it?
Yes,
Where?
sashimi.
Sashimi.
Yes.
You caught it in sashimi. Is sashimi a place?
Sashimi? Where's that?
Sa wasabi kinuman.
Where did you catch the fish?
Cut. Slice.
Saan mo po siya nahuli?
Ano?
Norway. From Norway.
Sa Norway? Talaga? Grabe no? Ibang bansa pa? Imported pa? Grabe, parang ako imported. Imported siya, parang tayo. Imported din.
Ini-import lang.
Porinoy.
Porinoy. Tama. Foreign Pinoy. What's your best-selling burger here?
Burger,
Yeah, bestseller.
cheeseburger, mac and chicken sandwich, Big Mac.
Oh, the Big Mac? Okay. Do you have a quarter pounder? I've already tried Big Mac. Do you have a quarter pounder? Quarter pounder with cheese, do you have?
Sorry, sir?
Do you have a quarter pounder with cheese?
Yes, sir. We have a quarter pounder with cheese
You do? Okay, cool.
and cheeseburger deluxe with cheese.
Okay. Yeah, can I just get that in a meal? Yep.
Quarter pounder.
Yeah, quarter pounder medium meal, yeah. Saka, anong gusto mo, Bailey? Baka gusto mo din yung ano?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam?
Burger lang yung sa akin eh.
Burger sa'yo. Okay.
Yung cheeseburger na lang.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger lang.
Yun lang po.
Phil Talk is awesome.
It's simple. Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
If you sign up for a premium account, you get full access to a Tagalog program and a Visayan learning program.
Alright, DwantAFAM, lilipat na tayo. Nasa LRT na tayo. Kasama pa rin natin si Belle. Ayun. Alright, lipat tayo ng venue sa Luneta Park na tayo. Rizal Park. Ayan. Ito yung taga-video natin, si Angelo. Oh. You know?
Magpa-prank tayo ng mga tao sa Rizal Park.
Yun.
Yung iba't ibang pranks naman. May iba't ibang tema tayo.
Ayan, ang maganda. Yan, DwantAFAM, pupunta na tayo sa Luneta, nasa jeep na tayo. Si Belle, ayun, dito. First time mo ba ito sumakay ng jeep, Bailey?
Di naman, nasanay na ako, kuya.
Ay, sanay ka na, ang galing.
Commuter kaya ako.
Talaga? Angelo, first time mo ba?
Hindi, lagi naman noon dito.
Ganun ba? Ayun. Kuya, bayad po. Pamaskuhan po. Alright, bababa na tayo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, nandito na tayo sa Rizal Park. Let's do this, alright? Practice your English, Bailey, ha? Okay?
I can speak English a little.
Well, so you're from Manila?
I'm schooling Santa Isabel College.
Santa Isabel College?
And
Close to here? Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Santa Isabel
Across the
College.
street. What's your course? What's your
I'm police.
You're what? Police? You're studying to be a police? Wow, really? I'm Dwaine. Bailey. Yeah, Bailey. Para may tanong ako sa'yo, bro. Single ka ba? May jowa
Tagalog
ka
ko
na?
pala. Kailangan mo sa English.
So, what do you guys think about foreigners in the Philippines?
It's okay po. Parang they're friendly naman and di ba? Friendly.
They're friendly.
Yes.
Yeah. So, have you met a foreigner that speaks Tagalog before?
Yes.
You have?
I have a friend.
Oh, you have a friend? Ah. Where's he from?
He's from Canada.
Oh, from Canada. Di ba taga-Canada ka din? Magaling din siya mag-Tagalog. Sabi mo ng Tagalog. Sige nga. Ayan.
Okay naman po kami.
So what are you guys doing here? Vacation?
Is a place dito and then we go to another because I'm
Namasyal po.
Oh, you
Namasyal.
sleeping.
You what? So you sleep here?
Because no shit no one.
Oh, so you live here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry to hear that. You live here,
And then night is go to another
but you have job. You work?
job.
No job. How do you eat?
Yeah, feeding program in
Oh, there's a feeding
Yeah.
program.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So kayong lahat wala kayong bahay? Dito lang
No,
kayo?
yeah.
Talaga? Ay nako, grabe. Paano yun? Pa-English kasi kayo eh. Pinapa-English niyo ako.
Marunong pala mag-Tagalog. So talagang kaibigan.
Oy. Mahal ba?
Ay grabe. Pero at least libre yung pagkain niyo po. May feeding program. Ah, talaga.
Schedule.
Talaga? Grabe naman, no? Mahirap ang buhay dito, no? Mahirap.
This one, walang feeding ngayon.
So paano pag umuulan? Saan kayo?
Magano kami silong kami ng mga
Magsilong lang kayo?
Yes.
May talent fee kayo dahil nasa video
Okay.
namin kayo. Ayan.
Wow!
Ayun.
Salamat
Christmas
po. Ayun,
Magaling
pag-happy
Pasko.
mo namin.
Ayan. Talent fee nyo yan, ha?
Yeah.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat din po. Salamat din.
Pogi.
Thank you po. Salamat. Hello. You're very good in English, ha?
Hi, English teacher.
Teacher? Oh, really?
I'm just a student here,
Guys, we're making a YouTube video. Is it okay if we interview you?
Sure, we're beautiful and handsome. You know how to speak Tagalog?
Ay nako, sinira mo yung prank namin, ha? Prank namin sila.
Wala na.
Wala na yung prank.
You're beautiful, Shine